starting out my day with a blunt of kush, damn. Smoking on that haze, nigga, that's that. I'm rolling up blunts, nigga, back to back. Yeah, I'm trying to get high, and that's a fact. Damn, all I do is smoke trees. Well, my nigga keeps but he can roll up his weed. My nigga Nick, and all we do is smoke that yay. Damn, I'm often about to hit this party, yeah. Listen, I'm fucking loose. Loose as a goose. I'm drinking on my juice. Damn, what the fuck you nigga talking about? My name Bird, nigga, run up in your fucking house. That nigga keep.
Okay. Joker back, bitch. Yeah, back, bitch. Did you miss me? Oh, miss my raps, bitch. We got a problem, man. If you say my name, if I walk up on you, then I'm gonna have to spray you, man. Yeah, we got problems. You don't want that. I call my nigga Jay, and he got my back. I call the squad up, call the rest up. Niggas don't want it cause I'm tired as fuck. And when I get mad, and I'm gonna hit your ass, and then I'm gonna spray your ass, and then I'm gonna crack your ass.
My nigga, he gon' spray your ass. Click, clack, nigga, yeah, that's your fucking ass. Then I'm going in your pocket to get that cash. You will re-up, nigga, then get some ass. We some nasty fucks. Damn, nigga, and we don't give a fuck. That's why we call me Bird and my nigga Keith. Cause all we do, we just, I don't even know.
Okay, no.
I'm ready to dance from Dougie, bro. Go to T-Body Dougie. I'm ready to Dougie, bro. I'm ready to Dougie on this bitch.